In this video tutorial, you will learn how to autoplay and loop slides in Google Slides. The first step is to launch your Google Chrome app, okay? As Google Chrome opens, visit slides.google.com and log in if you are not logged in automatically. The next step is to open the presentation you want to autoplay. So I'll click on this. This presentation right here has a lot of slides inside, okay? And I want to loop them. So the next step is to click on Slideshow, which is at the top right. This will display the first slide. Then take your cursor to the bottom left. You will see this design here. By default, when you are here, you don't see that. But once you take your cursor to this side, you will see these options, okay? Then click on these three dots. On clicking on these three dots, select autoplay. 2 seconds is chosen by default. That means every 2 seconds, you are taken to a new slide when you are presenting. But here, let's work with 3 seconds. So I'll click on that. Then after the seconds is selected, still take your cursor here, click on these three dots and select autoplay and then select loop. Okay, then still click on the three dots and click on autoplay, and the next step is click on play. So this will be changing every 3 seconds. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. So to escape or to stop this, just click on the three dots again, and then you will see the option to exit slideshow. And with this, you're good. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. There's a product shown here on this video. Is one of the products I sell on my store. If you get to the store and you don't like what is displayed here on the screen, you can go through my store. I have a lot of products, mugs, shirts, and different other products you can find there. Thank you and see you some other time.